you have come down from South Korea. The students are learning now. How do you feel? Do they have any availability?
First, thank you so much. Invite to Kukkiown. So, my side also good opportunity. Some teaching student. Any student is a good talent in India. So I very happy. So very beautiful place in Kukkiown. So no pollution, very clean. Yeah, I too much happy.
How many days you will be teaching to the students?
Almost 6 or 7 days training here. Yes.
Any similarity by Bodo people and your South Korea? Any similarity?
Yeah, I think same. Little Mongolian, same pace, and some traditional food also little similar. Yeah, some almost some culture is similar. Actually, Korea is a Buddhist country. So Buddhist is some India traditional some religion. So yeah, so same like Korea, India, some same religion. Yes.
What do you think about Taekwondo, Taekwondo prospect in India?
Actually, India good talent. So many good talent, but many students is no experience. Actually, I think don't mind. In India, only all parents like only education. There no interest in sports. If some interest in sports, some India also very fast develop. Taekwondo also develop, and yeah, student also some enjoying life.
But they take sports as a second option.
Yeah, yes. But my country sports also very developed. So some sports education also, some university also, sports university, and part some separate their teaching university also. So I hope India also some little bit interest in sports. So some India also very some popular and some very fast develop some sports.
Thank you.